So we've got a very nice Aston Martin DB11 in this absolute glorious green on this very nice day, but I thought it'd be very nice just to do a very quick video on what we've done to this vehicle. So we've done our full Apple CarPlay upgrade in this DB11. We've also secured this vehicle with the latest AutoWatch Ghost Pro as well. So if you want further information on that, then please just drop us an email or a message. But yes, we've the main big job today has been to fully install and integrate the Apple CarPlay in here. So it's very quick and easy. Everything is controlled via on down there. So basically press in back into the original system as it was when it first arrived this morning, and then a click of a button, we're back into CarPlay. Everything is controlled by the jog dial, which is there. So you can obviously just go through and select various things, which is on there, and then just click the back button back. Very slick, very responsive. There's no lag like other CarPlay units. Unfortunately, with these kits you do get what you pay for. This company that we've been using, I've been installing these for over 7 years now. We've done private development with this company as well as with Aston Martin to get the kit as good as it can be within this interface. So if you're looking for Apple CarPlay upgrade for Aston Martin, we can also cater for Aston Martin all the way back to 2006. So all the way up to 2023 we can do, from 06 to 23 with all the variants. So if you are interested in doing other Aston Martin, then we can certainly cater for that. I'll just show you obviously just quickly. It's full integrated in here to go into reverse and then back into park, and then it goes straight back into the Aston Martin screen. So it's fully integrated. With the Apple phones we do full call rerouting as well. We also fit a nice little microphone which is just there for Siri, or if you're an Android user. So yes, if you're interested in having this upgrade for your car, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations. Thank you.